All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about zaption. Zaption is going to be a program that we're going to use hopefully within Canvas. And the idea of zaption is for you to interact with the videos that we do. So this is an introductory video on how to get signed up, signed in, and ready to go with zaption. So here we go. First things first, go to any internet browser, and we want to go to zaption. All right, once we've gone to zaption, I want you to go to interact with zaption. Now, you're going to have to join in once for free. So you're going to join in free. Now, this is the place where we're going to need to be very careful on how we do the instructions. You're going to put your name. And you're going to need to fill out a password. Now for you, your password is going to be your login, your 6-digit, your lunch number, the same lunch number we're always using, the 40 whatever. Okay? Your email, however, needs to be your school login. So for example, if my name were Matthew Thomas, it would be Thomas M at. Now this is the important part. mountzion.k12.il.us. So that's going to be the format you're going to use for this email. Now, by the way, you don't have this email account. It doesn't exist, but it does match the stock format that we use here at Mount Zion. Last name first followed by your first initial. Last name followed by first initial. All right, so we're going to go sign up. Now, I don't need to remember the password because it's a totally fake thing. Which one best describes you? You are going to be a student. Your organization name is going to be Mount Zion High School. Your school organization type is K-12 SAV. Here we go. And I want you to close all of this. Now, they give you example zaptions. Okay, they're called tours, but we'll get into that in a little bit. What I want you to do is go join a group. So you're going to join a group. Now, this is where you need a code. I have created codes based on your classes. So, if you are second hour, for example, I'm going to join second hour, one of my 4 favorite pre-calculus hours of the day, and I'm going to need the code. It is 2RMJH2. 2RMJH2. Okay, now by the way, if you need your code, you can pause your video right now and take a look at your code. Now, once you put in your code, I'm going to join. No tours are shared with this group at the moment because I haven't shared any groups with anybody, any tours with anybody. But the idea here is as soon as you get signed up, I'm going to be able to share a tour with you, and that's where we'll pick it up in a minute. Okay, once tours have been shared with you, now all you have to do is click on whatever tour is required. So in this case, Zaption Demo 1. And once you have clicked it in, just simply start your tour. Once your tour is selected, just hit play.
Great, so you've already logged into Zaption. You've already figured out how to start a tour. So on a tour like this, the whole point is that unlike a YouTube video that can play without any pauses, without any interaction, Zaption allows the student to interact with the video in a way that a YouTube video can't. The video could stop at any point and ask you a question.
Would you like to continue is our first question. So, would I like to continue? Yes, absolutely. Continue.
Then once you've answered it, you get to move on, but the settings that I intend to use are settings where you can go back if you've missed an answer and rewind the video, but you can't fast forward, and you have to answer the question before moving on. So
What can't you do in Zaption? You can't fast forward.
So the important part of what we're trying to accomplish here is so you interact with the video, you can't bypass the learning, that you must go through the process.
So our goal here with zaption is to do what? Interact with the video to enhance learning.